Hi, my name is Michael Kelly, and I do web development and digital marketing for a company called Sunfish Cellars. We distribute wine to 12 states right now and hopefully more soon. So if you're interested in wine, you should check it out and see if we deliver to you. And if you're in the St. Paul area, we also have an Italian deli and a high-end Italian restaurant, which are definitely worth checking out. They have some great food there. And I want to talk a little bit about what I've been working on the last few days. So we run a site on Shopify, and I've been building order forms so that people can order food online. We've had order forms for a while. I've been improving them. And let me give you an example of what we do. So if I click on pizza, you have options for building your own pizza or choosing a specialty pizza, and then we have some flatbread. So let's say that I want to get a meatball and ricotta pizza. I'm going to have to move myself out of the way here. Let me click next. And then you have options such as a gluten-free crust, extra meats, extra vegetables. So maybe I want a gluten-free crust and I want to add onions on. And then I can choose quantity. I can type in special instructions. I don't know, burn the crust a little. Something stupid. Okay, and then I add the item. And you see that the cart reloads dynamically. Also, this cart up here in the top right is going to reload dynamically and add this to the cart. And the items, if you're familiar with Shopify, you can't really group items together like this. But what we're doing is using a group ID property to cluster several items together and then using the code to display them as if this is just a meatball ricotta pizza, and then you add on the gluten-free crust and red onions. So that's kind of cool. And then if we use like this cart up here, I can click the X and remove the pizza, and you notice it gets removed from the cart on the page too. So it all works together dynamically. And we also have sometimes several layers in this order form. So you could build your own pasta bar. You get to choose your pasta and sauce. So let's say I want penne pasta with cream sauce and pesto sauce. You get to choose your meat and vegetable toppings on the next page. You get 3 toppings for free, and then each additional topping costs $1. And the way that was handled is it actually replaces the code using counting the number of products with particular IDs. And then if there are too many of those products, it replaces those with another hidden product, which is the same name but costs $1. And I'm not going to get extra bread and butter, so let's just add the item. And if we go up here, you'll see that the mixed bell peppers, if I had just gotten 3 items and one of those was mixed bell peppers, it would show up as mixed bell peppers, but it shows up as mixed bell peppers $1 because it's actually replaced by another item. All right, and let's see, if we go to our cart here, I've also reprogrammed the cart recently so that this page changes dynamically. I can hit this plus or minus and add and remove things without having to go through page reloads, because the way that the Shopify came originally was that this would refresh the whole page and have to reload everything, and it was really irritating.